What's up, guys? Welcome to your 146th Android tutorial for the new Boston. And again, what we're going to do is get our actual key for a map instead of the debug key. And since we exported our project and signed it, now we can get our actual key. So what I want you guys to do again is go to this website, code.google.com/android/add-ons/APIs/mapkey.html. And that's going to bring us to this site. Again, we're just going to scroll down to basically this line of code that we're going to follow. Again, you guys want to open up your command prompt, and or you do that by going to Start on Windows and then CMD, or on Mac you go Applications, Utilities, and then Terminal. And this is where we're going to get our fingerprint for the most part. So let's go back into our Finder, or whatever. Let me pull this over. I'm going to go into Finder, Documents, Android Apps, and then what we're going to do is right click on our Maps key store and go to Get Information. I forgot what it's called on Windows. I mean, just had Mac for like a month and I already pretty much forgot Windows entirely. But there we go. Basically, you're going to get the location. We're going to copy this path and refer to it in our terminal or in our command prompt. So let's get started. All we have to do is type key tool -list space -alias, and again our alias was named map alias, so this is where it's a little bit different than last time, because again we have to refer to the name of the alias that we saved within our key store. And then we're going to say space -key store and then space and then our path, so I'm going to hit Control V / basically our key store name, which we called Maps Key Store. So Maps Key Store and then we have to hit space -store pass, and our password was Travis or whatever your guys' password was, and then our key pass was also Travis. Then when we hit enter, we should get our fingerprint here, which again is pretty much the same as last time. We just copy that, and we're going to go down to register a certificate fingerprint, and we're going to hit I've read and Control paste, and then all we do is hit generate API key. I probably am going to blur out all this stuff because I'm not for sure if I'm supposed to show you guys, but hopefully you get the gist. And then here's our new key that we are going to copy and paste into our project. So we're just going to copy this, and then I'm going to pretend like I paste it where our debug key is, but actually I'm going to paste it and then run our application and make sure it still works. Alright, so basically pasted that, ran our application, and hopefully it still is going to load our map. If it doesn't, you guys need to probably redo the terminal or the command prompt and make sure that's right. So hopefully it works. And yeah, for the most part it's good. For some reason I think it should be good. I don't know why it's loading like that. I think if I run it on my phone it will actually work. But as long as you get some sort of map, it should work, and then we can assign this to the marketplace and it will work. So I will catch you guys